we have finally come to the end of the camp, and the camp has been a grand success and it has been very beneficial to many. So today, this evening, we're mainly here to show appreciation to all the honorable doctors for their hard work and effort. We would like to thank you a lot for taking out your time and coming here all the way from Delhi and treating the community. And together, like, we have saved numerous lives and many vulnerable patients in the community. So therefore, on the behalf of monastery and Patient Care Trust and the vulnerable community, we thank you from our deepest heart. I would like to also thank the staffs and the volunteers. The camp wouldn't be possible without them. And also, I hope in the future, together we continue to serve the community. So, so I would like to thank all of you for that.
First of all, he would like to say Tashi Delhi to every one of you who has come all the long way from Delhi. In the joint forces of Sera and Patient Care Trust, we requested all the doctors to come from Delhi, and you have all been very cooperative and very helpful to the community, and a lot of patients has been benefited, and especially to our community, like we have a lot of patients who are undiagnosed and some suffering from chronic diseases, so it has been very helpful, and he would like to deeply thank you from our heart.
제사다 디나나 먼저 공부대 믹스에다 개청부지로 개청부시고 차대에서 가르쳤는데 디 공부대 먼저 가르쳐래 5년 전에 야나는 비유의 최단의 흉 자치무지 로모 배진 이동스 개별에는 이제 유기되는 흉의 진정치 이 소치무시 차는 그래서 인자다 디나의 기능을 상마 디처로 본체죠.
So, this monastery is one of the main schools of the Buddhism, and the monks here are studying all like the Narendra tradition. They all follow Narendra tradition. They are studying Buddhism, so they all have been benefited hugely. So we would like to thank.
다 제산 진짜기 로션 지에나 말하다 가서래 먼저 다 냐마 다 just nearly 먼저 변에 배 망고 배경이 그래서 이런 배 딜레 방어했어.
So 10 years back, there used to be so many monks in here.
이나 다제 내가로 딜레 매워야 되다. 다제 가서 그래 야함이 이러와 이마자르데 딜라나르데 아나자르데 시김네 디네다오네 디나르고 롭촌치기 동라나.
Now, like the monks mostly consist of the sub-Himalayan regions and from different parts of the India. Like so, before it used to be all Tibetans from like Tibetan refugees, but now it has like from different parts of India. So they are all studying under the same roof.
제가 디제 인디아다 캐나다 원에 단에게 페이지인데스 오늘 단에 디지 통통지가 만들면에 나다다 미마 하진다다 다로 디리가 페이지 통다 소스 먼저 디제 중앙 소스에다 마음발로 도도이나 먼저 제가 무트리지로 가서 디제 자체스 문제가 마마지
So these 4 days health camp, it has been very helpful to the community, our community as well as the local populations as well. So in future also we hope to organize more such camps, and it would be very great if you could also come in the future and lend us a hand in screening health programs.
제가 먼저 뒤에 맹가디에 먼저 기자만 뒤에 개체 방에 뒤에 가서 예시 거주 디지털과 아니 다 맞아 쉬운데 아니 뒤에 정원에서 정원 상황이 튜브하고 할거 제성 디지털 뒤에 들어와 아니 다 잡아주고 가진 제제도 지금
So we are also building a new hospital next year. It will be complete by the end of the next year, and it has through the help of Indian government, through the Karnataka government, it has been they have lended us a huge helping hand in making this possible. So we deeply thank you from our heart.
제사들이 말하자다 치료 때문에 좀이 도와심지 동의의 교육이다 되게 지금 타발 지금 되어지게 되어다 그러면서 암전 넘버 7에 개화시다 이게 정말 도움이 소리를 듣지 배자치는 어디나 부셔나
So I have deep respect for all of you doctors who selflessly treat patients, who look out after patients, and your dedication to your craft has been very appreciable. Thank you so much. Representing all the 3,000 monks of the Sera, I would deeply like to thank you all from the deep of my heart. Thank you so much.
We would like to present a small gift to the monastery from the patient care. Next, we would like to present a small token to Sera J Healthcare Committee. Give a little token of appreciation to the doctors from the monastery. to the doctors.
So first of all, I'd like to thank Patient Care Trust and Sera Foundation for inviting us to this beautiful city of Balakot and Cook. So we have been associated with Patient Care Trust for the last couple of years, starting our journey from Dharamshala in 2018. So this year we have reached Balakot. Volunteers and staff from the Patient Care Trust who have traveled from Delhi, and the volunteers and staff of the Sera Healthcare Committee, as well as the people from the monastery who were involved their whole day in serving us, whether right from the food and tea and whatever the good hospitality we have enjoyed all 4 days. So I'm really thankful to Lamachi and monastery people and Sera Healthcare Committee from the AIIMS side. We are really grateful and we had a nice, wonderful time. So we'll try to serve you in whatever capacity we have to help the population, and that's all I'd like to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sonam, and thank you so much, Sonam. Now, this has been second year in which they have involved me. I am from National Institute of TB and Respiratory Diseases, which is another institute near All India Institute of Medical Sciences. For chest and chest surgery, we are the specialized institute, and we have also come and seen this patient. It's a great honor and privilege that we could represent our institutes in a very small manner to serve this largest settlement of Tibetan population in the country, which is Baluke. And here we have seen a very pleasant weather, extremely pleasant weather, and a very warm hospitality from all of you. And we are actually honored to have been given this honor by you, that you are personally thanking us and bestowing upon us all your blessings and wishes. We promise to reciprocate it in every manner in which we can help. Not only that, we have seen patients here, those patients who have been asked to give the follow-up in our institutes, we will look after them in every possible manner. I am very happy to learn that new hospital is coming here. I was proposing to the medical officer here, Dr. Tejing, that in case we can correspond on email and some definite surgical cases can be prepared, we can come and do the surgery here also. Best wishes for your venture.
I may not have been able to visit some departments, but myself, Dr. Tenzin, and I'm currently medical officer at Sera Hospital. So it has been very nice, like having you all doctors. I think we have, like in this 4 days medical camp, I think we have screened more than 2,000 people, and I think like it's been very successful, and we have dispensed free medical medicines free of course, and some patients were diagnosed, some went like consulted for surgery. So I think it has been very helpful, and I think like it was very successful. So I deeply thank you all the doctors for coming such a long way from Delhi, and I think you must like I think you enjoyed here, like staying. The weather was very nice, right? Yeah, so thank you all doctors.
ऐसी बात ही मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है, और मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी में भी बात होनी चाहिए. So coming to the points, thank you Sonam, and thank you the whole committee, and thank you Lama ji for allowing us to do so. ये अंग्रेजी हो गया ना, sorry. So दूसरी बात है, starting from the airport, आपने जिस तरह का हमें respect दिया है, it is really appreciated, and we really want to give a big round of applause for the all.